Food, Fun, and Feelings with Nurse Rhonda, written by Rhonda Hagen. It was a warm and cozy afternoon at Jewel's house. Soft sunlight streamed through the kitchen window and painted golden shapes on the floor. Jewel looked at baking ingredients sitting on the kitchen counter. Today felt special. Today was baking day. Jewel loved baking. She loved cracking eggs. She loved stirring batter. She loved watching something plain turn into something delicious. Jewel looked at the bowls, spoons, and colorful sprinkles. Her heart did a tiny, happy wiggle.
I want to bake something fun!
Jewel said. Jewel's mom, Nurse Rhonda, smiled.
What kind of fun?
She asked. Jewel thought for a moment.
Something happy.
Jewel said.
Something we can share.
Her mom nodded.
That sounds wonderful.
Jewel's smile stayed, but it grew a little quieter. She stared at the floor. Jewel's mom noticed. She always noticed.
What's on your mind, Jewel?
Her mom asked gently. Jewel took a small breath.
I want my friend to bake with me.
Jewel said.
But my friend only uses one hand.
Jewel squeezed her fingers together.
I don't know if they can bake like me.
Her mom knelt beside Jewel. She placed a warm hand on Jewel's shoulder.
Jewel,
She said softly.
everyone cooks in their own way.
Jewel looked up.
Really?
She asked. Her mom nodded.
Some people stir with 2 hands.
Some people stir with one hand.
Some people use special tools.
She smiled.
What matters most is having fun and being safe.
A warm feeling spread inside Jewel's chest.
Can we try?
Jewel asked. Jewel's mom smiled even bigger.
Of course we can.
Together, they set out bowls, measuring cups, and a small electric chopper. Nurse Rhonda placed a soft mat on the counter so things wouldn't slide. She stuck a bowl in place so it wouldn't move.
These tools can help.
Nurse Rhonda explained. Jewel watched closely.
They look cool.
She said. Soon, there was a knock at the door. Jewel's heart jumped.
My friend is here.
She said. Jewel ran to open the door. Her friend smiled wide.
Are we really baking today?
Her friend asked.
Yes!
Jewel said.
We're baking something happy.
They walked into the kitchen together. Jewel felt a tiny flutter in her tummy. What if it didn't work? Nurse Rhonda gave Jewel a gentle wink.
Let's start.
She said. Jewel poured flour into the bowl. Her friend held the bowl steady with one hand. It stayed in place. Jewel smiled. Nurse Rhonda turned on the little chopper. Jewel's friend watched closely.
Can I try?
Her friend asked.
Of course.
Nurse Rhonda said. With one hand, her friend pressed the button. Jewel's eyes grew wide.
You did it!
Jewel cheered. Her friend grinned. They took turns adding ingredients. Sometimes batter splashed. Sometimes flour puffed into the air. They giggled. They made a big, happy mess. Jewel noticed something. They weren't baking the same way, but they were baking together. Jewel felt something warm and bright inside. They slid the pan into the oven. Now came the waiting. Waiting felt long. Waiting felt wiggly. So they cleaned up together. Jewel wiped the counter. Her friend stacked cups. Nurse Rhonda washed spoons. Soon, a sweet smell filled the kitchen. Jewel's nose twitched.
It smells amazing!
Jewel said. The timer dinged. Nurse Rhonda carefully took the pan out. Golden and warm. Perfect. They waited for it to cool. That part felt even longer. Jewel handed one to her friend. Her friend took a bite. Her eyes sparkled.
It's delicious.
Her friend said. Jewel took a bite too. It tasted like sugar. It tasted like warmth. It tasted like fun. Jewel smiled.
We did it together.
Jewel said. Her friend nodded.
Yeah,
Her friend said.
we really did.
Nurse Rhonda knelt beside them.
What did we learn today?
She asked. Jewel thought.
Everyone cooks in their own way.
Jewel said. Her friend added.
And everyone can have fun.
Nurse Rhonda smiled.
That's right.
Jewel felt proud, not just because they baked, but because they tried, because they helped each other, because they included everyone. Jewel looked at her friend.
Want to bake again sometime?
Jewel asked. Her friend smiled big.
Yes, please.
They all laughed. The kitchen was messy, their hands were sticky, their hearts felt full, and that made it a perfect day. Sometimes we do things differently, sometimes we need extra tools, sometimes we need extra help, but everyone deserves to try. Everyone deserves to belong, and everyone deserves to have fun.